And today is the day. We're getting our exhaust installed on the bike. Yes! Give you guys a little sound clip of what it sounds like stock right now, and then we'll give you a sound clip of what it sounds like with the exhaust on. That's nasty. Welcome back to another video, guys. We're here at the Torque Custom Cycle Shop, and today is the day. We're getting our exhaust installed on the bike finally, because this bike sounds so quiet. It sounds like nothing when it's on. So we started the process of taking the fairings off right now, and then we're gonna dive into the exhaust. To answer your question right off the bat, is stainless. I did not go with the titanium. One, because there was no point of spending more money on a prettier header when it's just gonna be covered. And I intend on getting a belly pan in the bottom as well. So it's gonna be all covered. And we got Eddie over here taking everything off. BMW Master Tech. Eddie, talk to me about this process real quick. How long do you think we're looking at? An hour or two?
Yeah, just about. And it's a pretty straightforward job. Just gotta make sure you attack key points here and pretty much don't break anything. Even though it has great hardware on these BMWs, you still got to be cautious of everything being stuck for the most part. Okay. But as you see, very straightforward. You can access everything. BMW makes it pretty simple. Wires straightforward here, everything nice and tied. Fun part is getting in here.
Nice. So we're gonna start the process of just taking everything up apart. Walk you guys through everything, and hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's an early morning, and I needed one of these today. Super excited to get on the bike though after the install, so I can kind of give you guys my first impression on everything. Like I said, the bike sounds really, really quiet with the stock exhaust. It's just it's super quiet, and I want to hear that four-cylinder sound, man. Cool. And then I've decided to keep the stock can because it's an Akrapovic exhaust, right? All you really got to do is change the headers. That exhaust sounds amazing. I've seen a bunch of video clips. Save yourself some money right there instead of switching everything out. Daddy, Eddie. Give you guys a little sound clip of what it sounds like stock right now, and then we'll give you a sound clip of what it sounds like with the exhaust on. Great engine noise, but the exhaust. Yes! We got a scale right here so we could weigh the stock header compared to the aftermarket one right now. So we're gonna put this on a scale right now and show you guys a big difference. Stock header is 18.8.
That's all they do on both.
Wait, the other one was 18?
10 pounds.
Holy crap, that's a lot.
That's the bread box right there. 10 pounds.
Damn, man.
That's what you call a bread box.
10 whole pounds. Now we're ready for the track. Psych. Yeah.
This is a new European standard that they're doing now. Because I just had this with a Triumph and a exhaust I was ordering from SC Project.
Yeah.
This is something new, and SC Project is actually still developing their 402 pipes. They only have the single O2 pipes right now.
Gotcha.
It just happened to me. You bought this? Hang it on the wall?
That was one of the cool things when I was at the BMW dealership. They also did let me know that if I wasn't to change the exhaust, that I didn't have to really tune it, because that was my biggest thing was, all right, well, am I gonna tune it now? I don't want to lose my warranty. And they basically told me, well, once you install the exhaust, the computer's gonna automatically know and it's gonna adjust itself. So you really don't have to tune it. Now, for those of you guys who want to tune it and just want to get the maximum power out of your bike and just go to the limit, for sure, you know, you can go ahead and get a aftermarket tuner. But I'm good on that. The bike is plenty for me. I don't need it to be any more powerful than what it is, so I'm totally fine. I want to tell everybody what we were doing before with the little black box where we're taking the
servo
sensors
motor
off of it. Yeah.
So with this new header pipe system, it eliminates the servo motor actuator cables located right here.
That's what we were taking out before.
So they'll typically go into here and into a black box right about here.
So we took the black box out of there, and then these wires run through that black box, right?
Yes, right over here. These wires are inside the black box. This is located on the stock mid pipe, and this is where you're removing where the butterfly valve is.
And the reason why we're eliminating this,
Well, mainly because the new header pipe eliminates that. It has a free flowing setup. So no more butterfly, no more need for the servo cables. Now we remove them,
nice.
and then you're perfectly set with that.
Okay. So O2 sensors are going in.
O2 sensors are going in.
We just need to tighten.
Reroute all your O2 sensors. You have a smaller and a larger one.
And it's just, all we really got left to do is just to tighten up the exhaust heads all the way here in the front.
Yeah, you want to get these O2 sensors in first and into position. That way you know you're in the right spot, and you'll have no clearance issues once you get the header bolted into the head.
Nice.
Just like so.
Good.
Later on, we'll come in here, we'll tighten these down, set up the slip-on, and then everything's in place.
Sick. So we're pretty much 85% there right now. 80%. Yes, it fits.
Pretty straightforward. But for now, I'll just have a dry fit like this, so I can get everything mounted in the right position, and then we'll have no fitment issues.
We were trying to explain the whole process as we're going, but Mike was tuning a bike right next door to us, so that audio was not gonna come in clear. First startup, here we go. That sounds so good. That sounds amazing. Wow. Yes! That sounds amazing, man. I'm so happy with that. That makes me so happy.
He's going to the movies.
That sounds
with popcorn.
amazing, dude. What do you guys think? Does it sound amazing or amazing? All right, we're just gonna put the fairings back together and get this thing out of here. Shout out to my guys over at Torque Custom Cycles. If you want to come get some work done, they mostly work on all Harleys and some Indians. For the most part, they don't really do that much stuff on sport bikes. But if you guys have a cruiser at home, come up right here, the information right there, and then the description box down below. Oh my God, that sounds so good, man.